Okay, so in this video, let us discuss yesterday's lunchtime, a problem called gold mining. I didn't want to make it in that video only, so I made another video. It's a very simple, straightforward question. Basically, there are n gold mines, and the ith gold mine contains GI gold. If Chef worked in it alone, it would take him AI days. And if Shifu worked alone, it would take BI days to mine all the gold. So basically, reading the first paragraph, you will get an idea that it should be a question related to, that work and time. Remember, we did this in 8th standard. Yeah, the problem also is very simple only. Here, they have just given a lot of information to confuse you guys. I don't know why this is all required. Basically, what is your objective? You want Chef and Shifu, both of them, to collect as much as gold as possible. You want to maximize the amount of gold for both of them. So how can that happen? That can only happen if they simultaneously work in some gold mine. Let me take some example and show you. See, it takes 2 days for Chef to mine all the 30 gold, and it takes 1 day for Shifu. So now just imagine if I say, okay, Chef will only mine everything. So at the end of 2 days, Chef will get 30, but Shifu will get 0. But that is not what we want. We want to maximize both, how much ever is possible. So optimally, we should act. So let me just open. So if it takes 30 days, sorry, there are 30 gold in that gold mine, and it takes 2 days for Chef and 1 day for Shifu. If both of them work, how much gold will Chef get? How much gold will Shifu get? There's a simple, straightforward solution. If both of them work, they can finish the work in how many days? If suppose you can finish a work in 2 days, your friend can finish a work in 2 days. Both of them can finish that same work in 2 days respectively. If both of you work, how many days will it take? 2 by 2 plus 2, which is how much? Half. So if both of you work, it will take half day. So using this same concept, both of them work, it will take how much? It will just take 2 by 3 days. But how much have they mined? That is the question, right? We want to find how much gold they have mined. For that, there's a simple, straightforward answer. I want all of you to verify it. It is basically G, that is the amount of gold, G minus, suppose this is A and this is B. It will be G minus G into A divided by A plus B. This is for Chef. For Shifu, G minus G into B by A plus B. That's it. This is the answer. I know there are other smaller formulas also, but when I was solving, it just struck to my mind like I should do this. So this will, if you print this, and be careful, you have to print double, like you have to use double because you might get floating point answer also, na? So they have told in the question that error of 10 power minus 6, it should not exceed 10 power minus 6. So that was the solution. Basically, keep on adding, all the amounts. ANS1 represents chef's amount, and this represents Shifu's amount. Finally, print the answer. I hope you understood this part. I have explained with this example also. So this was just basic 8th standard maths, and that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye.